Hi everyone. I'm back again with this week trade analysis for the week beginning the 16th to the 20th of June 2025. Just a disclaimer, this is my understanding of how the market works. It's not a trading advice. Please do your due diligence before taking any trades. All right. So that's out of the way. So this is US dollar Swiss franc on the 4 hour time frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to show you the trades I'm looking to take this week. All right. And then when I come back, I will do a teaching on the levels and the manipulation that goes around the area and why I believe that this is a good area to go long or go short. All right. So I'm only gonna just tell you what I'm looking for, and then when I come back, I'll you know I'll do a video. I'll do a teaching. Yeah. And on why I'm looking to go long or short from the area. All right. So USD chief, Swiss franc. So we consolidated right right here. So you can see we had all this bounce to the upside. Yeah, bounce to the upside. And then we'll continue to reject this area. Yeah, before we had this break to the downside. All right. So what I'm looking for next this week, this coming week, is for market to go up to this level and then reject it. Yeah, and then I look to go long. All right. So that is USD CHF. And the next one is silver, um, the silver spot. Um, so again, we had this area of consolidation where the market rejected, and then we came back to the level again, and then we had this rejection, right? And then market came back to the level, and then with this minor rejection before we broke to the upside, all right? So what I'm looking for this week is to go short. Yeah. So I need to look for um, some candlestick patterns right here. Yeah. To go short. All right. So that is the silver trade. So next is the Aussie Swiss franc on the 4 hour time frame. So we had this consolidation at the bottom, right? So we had this rejection. Sorry, 1 second. So we're having this rejection right there. Yeah, right up on this zone. Yeah, and then we then eventually broke to the downside. Yeah, so and then we have them pulled back and rejected the level. All right. So what I want to see, what I'm looking for, is um, a price to move to the upside. Okay, so I will be looking to go long on the Aussie CHF. So the next is New Zealand US dollar. New Zealand US dollar, we consolidated right up this level, yeah, before we then broke to the upside, yeah, and then they have been manipulating this level, okay. So what I'm looking to do uh, this week is to take a short trade, yeah. So I want to go short on the New Zealand US dollars. All right. And my stops is going to be at above the high. Yeah. So if I see the market push up, yeah, my bias is still short, then I'll look for something like this to go short. All right. So that's the New Zealand US dollar. And then the next one is the Swiss Japanese yen. Um, we had consolidation up on at this level. Yeah. So we kept rejecting the level, and then market is still within that level. All right. So we've not broken. Um, so what I'm looking for this week, I'm looking to see a big engulfing candle to break the level next week. Yeah. And then wait for a retest and then a pullback before going short. All right. So that's what I'm looking for on the Swiss against the Japanese yen. And then next is the Great Britain against the Japanese yen. Um, so okay, so we had that level that the market was has been rejecting. Yeah. So last week we had the rejection up on that level again. Yeah. So what I'm expecting on this this coming week is for the market to put to the upside, break above the level, yeah, and then I look for something like this to go short. All right, so that's what I'm looking for on the Great Britain Japanese yen. The next is GBP USD. Um, so we moved to the upside and then we started bouncing up, rejecting the level to the downside. Yeah, and we rejected to the downside. So what I'm looking for to see here is for this to break above the level. Yeah, and then pull back, retrace, and then to the downside. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for on this pair. The next one is New Zealand Japanese yen. Um, again, uh, the same thought process, rejection of the level, yeah, and then also rejection last week. So what I'm looking for is break to the upside and then reject the level, pull back, and then drop. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for on the New Zealand Japanese yen. So the next is Euro Chief, Euro Swiss franc. We bounced up this level, yeah. So what I'm looking to see this week on this pair is for the market to break to the downside, give me a retracement of the level, and then I look to go long. Okay, that is what I'm looking for on this pair. And the last one is the USD Japanese yen. So we moved to the upside and then retraced, and then we started consolidating right up this level. Yeah, so we started rejecting the level. Okay, so what I'm looking for this coming week is for market to come down. Yeah, reject the level, pull back of the level, and then retrace back, and then I look to go long. Okay, so these are the pairs I'm looking to trade this coming week. All right, so on the second part of the video I will come back to conclude the video. All right, okay, all right, I'll see you then. Thank you. Bye bye.